Good morning, students. Welcome back to biology classroom once again. Today I will discuss the exercise. First problem is here. Objective type question. Choose the correct option. Here are four options, but I will discuss only answer. The first question is here. The cells in blood which destroy disease-causing germs are, answer will be white blood cells. Next, a blood vessel which carries blood back to the heart, that is vein. The component of blood which makes chemicals known as antibodies, that is white blood cells. Next, blood is pumped from the heart to the entire body by the ventricles, because normally atria or auricle receive the blood but pump the blood from heart to the entire body, that is ventricles. Which vein brings clean blood from the lungs into the heart, that is pulmonary vein. Next, which blood vessels does not carry any carbon dioxide, pulmonary vein. Coagulation of blood in a cut or wound is brought about by platelets. Next, the blood vessels which carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart, answer is pulmonary vein. Next, the exchange of various materials between the blood and the body cells takes place through, that is capillaries. Next, fill in the blanks. Hemoglobin is present in red blood cells. The heart lies between the two lungs and above the diaphragm. Arteries and veins are joined by a network of capillaries. Atria and ventricles are the chamber of the heart. Our heart has 4 chambers. Next, the blood then flows from right auricle to the right ventricle and then to the lungs through pulmonary artery. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart, it is called heartbeat. Next, true false. The main transport system in human beings is called blood circulatory system. Answer will be true. Next, blood is red because of the presence of plasma. Answer will be false. Blood is red because the presence of hemoglobin. Because hemoglobin contain iron and iron reddish in color. That's why blood is red in color. Hemoglobin binds with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin. Answer will be true. White blood cells are more in number than red blood cells. Answer will be false. Blood carries water to the all parts of the body. Answer will be true. A person with O blood group is called universal recipient. Answer will be false, because the blood group which contain O, basically it is known as universal donor, क्योंकि ये सब ग्रुप को ब्लड दे सकता है. Arterioles are the smaller arteries. Answer will be true. The pulse rate of an adult person while resting is 72 to 80 per minute. Answer will be true. Blood pressure is the pressure exerted by blood on the walls of the blood vessels. Answer is true. Now, organize the following follow chart in a correct order by the numbering it. Here are some incidents and we have to arrange them by numbering. So, first problem is here. First problem is here. Blood absorb oxygen from lungs. That is first incident. After that, blood carries this oxygen to the all parts of the body. 2. Next, body parts give out carbon dioxide and waste back to the blood. 3. Next, blood takes this carbon dioxide rich blood back to the lungs. 4. And the last one is lungs expel this carbon dioxide rich blood back to the body parts. 5. Next, subjective type question. First problem is here. What is blood? Basically, blood is liquidary part by which all kinds of nutrients, minerals, oxygen, different types of supplies is occurred throughout our body cell. To name all the components of blood. So normally blood contains blood contains 4 parts. Which are they? The 3 blood cells and the liquidary part of blood, that is blood plasma. So the main components of blood are red blood cell, white blood cell and platelets. What will happen if there are no platelets in the blood? If there are no platelets present in the blood, so bleeding would not stop and excessive blood will be lost. That's why it may to lead to death. How many chambers are there in the heart? There are 4 chambers. 2 auricle, 2 ventricle. How many types of blood vessels are there? Normally 3 types of blood vessels are present inside our body. Name them: artery, veins and capillaries. What is the name of the blood vessels which connect the arteries to the vein? That is capillary, because it acts as a joining point between arteries and veins, and each cell of our body is closer to capillary. Which side of the heart has carbon dioxide rich blood? That is right side, and oxygen rich blood, that is left side. Name the organ of the body from which blood freshly enriched with oxygen goes into the heart. Answer will be lungs. What is heartbeat? A complete contraction and relaxation of heart in a minute, that is known as heartbeat. Name the instrument used by doctors to listen to our heartbeats. The name of the instrument is stethoscope. Define blood pressure. Normally the blood pressure is a pressure. It is exerted by blood which pushed by heart into the artery. That's why when blood exerted into artery, it creates a pressure on the wall of the arteries. This kind of pressure is known as blood pressure. How can you feel your own pulse? Normally, we can count our pulse to catch any artery, but artery lies deep inside our body. But when we feel our wrist, neck and temple region, we can easily count our pulse. If the pulse rate of an athlete is 95 per minute, so what is the number of these heartbeats in the same time? As because pulse rate is equal to the heartbeat or heart rate, that's why if anybody has 95 pulse rate per minute, so his heartbeat is 95 at the same time. So student, I hope all of you understood what I discussed today, but the long question is not possible to discuss in the video, so just leave it. It is not necessary also for your exam. So for today, up to this portion.